Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by buying the carrier's 5G data bundle and immediately verifying that the plan is active on your account. Once done, make sure the SIM is provisioned for the new service. Carriers often toggle provisioning server-side. You should also record the APN name and any special settings the plan requires. If prompted, accept carrier updates. These preparatory steps ensure the network recognizes your subscription even if the handset remains a 4G device. Now configure the phone so it uses the carrier's service correctly. Set the network mode to LTE or 4G only to maintain stable connectivity, because the handset can't use 5G radio but will consume the data plan. Enter the carrier-supplied APN and other fields exactly as given. This tells your phone which data gateway to use. Once saved, restart the device, and, if necessary, reinsert the SIM to force a fresh network attach. These steps connect your 4G radio to the account-level 5G bundle. Finish by testing data. Browse, stream, or run a speed test. You'll observe 4G radio speeds even though the plan is a 5G bundle because the phone lacks 5G hardware. If data doesn't work, toggle airplane mode, reselect the saved APN, or install any carrier settings update and restart. As a key troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, contact carrier support with your SIM IXID and account info so they can confirm provisioning. Often a remote reprovision resolves remaining blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.